Namaste dear parents. We are the students of class 2nd. We are here to present a small activity which help us to remember the action word. Are you ready, student? Are you ready, student? Shall we start?
Laugh, laugh, miss. Laugh, laugh, miss. Dance, dance, miss. Dance, dance, miss. Clap, clap, miss. Clap, clap, miss. Sleep, sleep, miss. Sleep, sleep, miss. Read, read, miss. Read, read, miss. Jump, jump, miss. Jump, jump, miss. Eat, eat, miss. Eat, eat, miss. Sing, sing, miss. Sing, sing, miss. Cry, cry, miss. Cry, cry, miss. Think, think, miss. Think, think, miss. Drink, drink, miss. Drink, drink, miss. Swim, swim, miss. Swim, swim, miss. Ride, ride, miss. Ride, ride, miss. Hug, hug, miss. Hug, hug, miss.
Start.